Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally doing an updated, um, I guess do your nails with me. I'm showing you all how I apply my press-on nails and how I get them to last at least 2 weeks. So if you guys are interested, then make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright, so as y'all can see, I am just clipping my nails down. I like to do this because I don't want super long nails underneath my press-ons. Alright, and today's nails are from Luxxi and they are in the style chocolate. These are almond shaped chocolate colored nails, and the base of the nail is matte while the tip is like a gloss. I love these. I only wore these for a little over a week. I didn't wear them for a full 2 weeks, but I did enjoy them. I want to take them off so that I could wear something like Christmas themed. So yeah, but these nails are perfect for the fall. So I just wanted to get one more fall pair of nails in before Christmas, wintertime got here. But yeah, y'all, you guys saw me pushing down my cuticles, and now I'm just um, sizing my nails to see which ones fit my nails best. I pretty much know the numbers by now, but I still like to measure it on my nail to see which ones fit and which ones may need to be filed down. Alright, so I have all my nails measured and lined up in order. The only nail that I need to adjust is my middle finger. That's normally the nail that I have issues with. The nails from the Luxxi pack is usually a little bit too wide for my middle fingernail. So as you guys can see, I'm going to use my Flawless nail tool, and I have the file attachment. I'm just going to file down the edges a little bit. You guys have to be real careful with this because you can butcher your nail real easy. I've messed up a nail before, but I was able to fix it. And so yeah, with these nails, that file worked really good, and you couldn't even tell that I filed down the sides a little. I love the Luxxi nails because they are great salon quality nails. And I also love that this nail file attachment has like a light on it. I love this set so much. So yeah, I believe they sell it at Ulta now, so I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested in that nail set. It has a bunch of different attachments. Alright, so now all of my nails are perfect and ready for me to apply them. But before I do that, I like to use a nail file on my nails to kind of rough up my nails. This is an important step in applying your press-ons because roughing up your nails gives the glue something to attach to, which then make your nails last a lot longer. The final step before I actually apply my press-on nails is using an alcohol wipe, and Luxxi Nails, which I love, always include alcohol wipes with their nail packs. Other brands I find do not, such as, well, I don't want to say, but some other nail brands may not have alcohol wipes. So you can always just use your own alcohol, or sometimes I've seen people use like a nail dehydrator. That's the point, just pretty much to dry out your nails. So you want to kind of rough up your nails and dry them out before applying your press-ons. Alright, so now we're going head to the fun part, applying the nails. So once again, I'm just lining up my nails to make sure that it's perfect. I saw something hanging that I had to clip off, but I'm just using the glue that comes in the pack, the Luxxi nail glue. Y'all, you guys are looking for an amazing glue, definitely purchase the Luxxi nail glue. They have a brush-on nail glue. I love it. I use that with my other non-Luxxi nails. And y'all, if you want your nails to last, follow the prep for it, but also use the Luxxi nail glue. It's so good. But yeah, you guys saw that I apply the glue to my real nail as well as the press-on nail, and then I press down for at least like 30 seconds. And I noticed that when I use the glue that comes out of the squeeze tube, it does get real messy, so I always have to clean up after applying each press-on. But if you want to have like less mess, I definitely recommend using the brush-on nail glue. Alright, and y'all saw that I applied the rest of my nails except for the thumbs. So we are just applying the thumbs, and I'm doing the same process. Alright, and the glue has been applied, so now I'm just pressing down the nail, and I like to hold tight for at least 30 seconds. I told y'all with the squeeze tube glue, it's so messy, so I always have something to clean up after applying. But just another close-up, applying the glue to my nail, and I apply it over my full nail, and then I apply it to the press-on nail, and I just apply it like the portion that I feel that my actual nail will be on, not the full entire press-on nail. Align it and press. About 30 seconds. I did get a little glue on the actual nail, so here you just see me trying to clean it off. And all my nails are applied and they look good. But the last step to my press-on nail routine is to apply a cuticle oil, and Luxxi also has cuticle oils. This was a brand new one, that's why you see me getting out of the packaging. And here I'm just applying it to my cuticles. And rubbing it in. Alright, and that's it. They look so cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.